Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are going to make a postbiotic black sesame smoothie. This smoothie is packed with ingredients that are great for your gut health. Let's get started. We'll need just a few simple ingredients. 1 banana, half cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of black sesame, 1 tablespoon of Koso or 2 teaspoons of Koso lower sugar. Sesame seeds are not only delicious but also rich in nutrients. In Japan, sesame is used in a variety of culinary appreciation for its rich, nutty flavor and nutritional benefit. Here are some common ways people use sesame in Japan. Sesame paste. Sesame paste is often used as a filling in traditional sweets such as mochi, taiyaki, and dorayaki. It's also spread on toast or used as an ingredient in sauce and dressings. Sesame seeds as toppings. Whole sesame seeds are sprinkled on rice, salad, noodles, or used as a garnish for dishes like sushi rolls, onigiri, and tofu. They add a slight crunch and a rich, earthy flavor. Sesame sauce. Sesame sauce is made by grinding the seed into paste and mixing it with ingredients like soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. It's commonly used as a dipping sauce for cold noodles, vegetable, or for dressing salad. Sweet and baked goods. Black sesame is a popular flavor in Japanese sweets and baked goods such as ice cream, pudding, cookies, crackers, bread, and cake. It's also used in traditional sweets called wagashi, where it might be combined with sweet bean paste. Sesame tofu. Sesame tofu is a traditional dish made from ground sesame seeds and kuzu starch, resulting in a tofu-like consistency. Black sesame tofu has a distinctive dark color and a deep sesame flavor. Seasoning mix. Sesame is a key ingredient in traditional Japanese seasoning mix like furikake, which is sprinkled over rice, and shichimi togarashi, a spice blend that enhances soup, noodles, and grilled meat. In Japanese cuisine, sesame is valued not only for its taste but also for its health benefit, including being a good source of calcium, magnesium, healthy fat, amino acids, and antioxidants. These seeds are also good for your digestive system, helping to maintain a healthy gut. This postbiotic black sesame smoothie contain not only this superfood sesame but also Koso. As you know, this Japanese fermented drink is rich in postbiotics, which are bioactive compounds that support gut health by enhancing the growth of beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammation. This smoothie is so easy to make as always. All you need to do is to blend everything together until smooth and creamy. If you haven't tried a black sesame smoothie, this is a sign. The combination of banana, black sesame, and Koso makes this smoothie a perfect drink for any time of the day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Cheers to good gut health with Koso. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.